Indeed, we have tested those who came before them. Each and every one of us right now who's sitting in this masjid, all of our brothers and our sisters, those of us who are present right now, those of us who are about to come, each and every one of us is going through some sort of difficulties. We are all going through trials and tribulations. No one is saved from this, and no one is entitled to a life where they do not have any problems or issues at all. No one is able to raise his hand and say, I am entitled to a life where I'm not going to be tested, especially if you are a believer. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He's the one who has created death and life. For what purpose? In order to test us. Whatever difficulties that we are going through right now, and whatever difficult that anyone is going through right now, remember this difficult is written by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and each and every one of us will not be tested more than that they can bear. لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will never burden anyone more than that person can bear.